We're experiencing moments full of hope in crypto. We're seeing rises. We're very happy like this. The wind is turning in the opposite direction. It's going back 4 months. We're getting restless. We're losing our hopes. Just when we think we've completely lost it, the rises start again. We can say that crypto has really become a place for crazy people. These days, the winds of America are blowing in crypto. There are only 5 days left until Trump's arrival. American winds are blowing not only in crypto in general, but also especially in Ripple. Ripple went through a very difficult period during the Biden administration, but it still survived, and now an administration that looks like it will establish better relations with is coming to America. In fact, Ripple donated $5 million worth of Ripple to support the opening celebrations that will be specially organized on the day Trump takes office. We're going to talk a bit about Ripple, and I hope that this new year, 2025, will be a good one. What are our expectations in crypto? We'll talk about these. I'm going to share my 5 expectations for the year 2025 with you, my friends. Let's move on to our video without wasting any time. Welcome back to my video, friends. I'm the CryptoContu. Let me state this before everything starts. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I talk about in this video is investment advice. I'm a YouTuber who shares my own thoughts and research on YouTube. So friends, what did I say? The winds of America are blowing. We're going to talk about Ripple, America, and developments in crypto. On the American side, friends, there's the issue of taxes in crypto, and your crypto gains can increase up to 37% depending on your income and the duration. For example, let's say you sold a product worth $100,000 for $200,000 and you made a profit of $100,000. As I said, up to $37,000 of this may be taxed. There are various conditions, but there's a rumor, friends, that we should exempt US-based coins from income tax. And friends, when I went to CoinMarketCap and looked, Ripple, an American-based coin, increased by 23%. I'm looking at the 1-week chart for the US-based coin, ADA, and it has increased by 8%. As you can see, I'm currently talking about the ones that have increased the most. Another US-based coin, Lumen, has increased by 12% over the week. Another US-based coin, Hedera, has increased by 10% over the week. If you noticed, the biggest increases have been shown by US-based coins. It seems like there's going to be a wind hype around American coins. Right at this moment, you all know Brett Gerlinghouse very well. The CEO of Ripple. Let's say the founder of Ripple, he's currently the official CEO. It's the person you see on the screen, the person on the right with glasses. And the person standing to the left of Trump on the screen, the one without glasses, is Brett Gerlinghouse. He tweeted from his Twitter account about a wonderful dinner, saying it's a strong start for 2025, and Trump also posted a photo of himself. It's a very charismatic photo, I must admit. And as I mentioned, he also made a donation of $5 million donated through Ripple. These are nice developments for Ripple, but as you know, I did a Ripple analysis a few videos ago. I explained the good and bad sides of Ripple. Friends, everything in the world has its good side and its bad side. You need to know this when you're going to invest in something. I made a video like this too. I was massively lynched. So what I want to say is this. Ripple fans are seriously fanatic, both in Turkey and around the world. This is actually a good thing for Ripple's price to gain strength. Let me say that too. So what will happen to Ripple? What do you mean? Now, I'm going to talk about something, friends. Look, Ripple's current market cap is $164 billion. $164 billion is a very significant amount. It's a very significant amount, guys. It's gotten close to Ethereum. If it doubles from here, or goes up 2.5 times, it will surpass Ethereum. Ripple might be nice, but I don't know how nice it is. So I don't think it's better than Ethereum. Ethereum is more of a project that produces technology. What I mean to say is this. Now, Doge also had a very serious market cap. In very serious market caps, there can be 2x increases. Bitcoin rises, Ethereum follows, Ripple too. You know, when the market cap increases proportionally, Ripple can make 2x, 3x from here. It's not impossible, but I think it's impossible to see a 20x increase, guys. Let me say that too. So how will 2025 be for crypto? Right now, we're looking at a skyrocketing chart, guys. Bitcoin, yesterday's producer price index, PPI, and today's inflation data came in better than expected. So this PPI means that in the future, producers will face less inflation. So that means consumers might experience less real inflation. The consumer price index, CPI, also came in line with expectations. These two are good data for crypto, and it made a really nice candle from around $97,000. Right now, we've reached the level of $100,000. Right? If it breaks through $100,000, that would be good data for us. We can clearly see that altcoins are coming to life. It has come to life, but it needs to come to life even more. We have more time to find a solution for altcoins, so don't get mad right away. But still, this is a nice development. Honestly, I'm hopeful for 2025, but there's a certain time frame for that, and I have some expected trends for 2025. I have some expected expectations. What are these expectations? Let's talk about this. My first big expectation is ETFs, especially with the approval of ETFs in the US. Bitcoin experienced an incredible bull cycle. So, by creating a huge market, it just did a 2x, as I mentioned earlier. This is a nice development, but it didn't benefit any of the other altcoins. While Bitcoin was experiencing bull run after bull run, altcoins turned into child of suffering, like EMRA. And yes, altcoins didn't get much of a share from this because institutional investors, large capitals, flowed into Bitcoin. This is a nice development for Bitcoin. I'm expecting altcoin ETFs in 2025. Right now, the only approved altcoin ETF in America is Ethereum, but I believe we'll see more ETFs this year and that institutions will want to buy more altcoins. So, what are the ETFs I'm expecting? First of all, it could be Solana, Ripple, Doge, Hedera, or maybe even AVAX, guys. Most of these are American-based altcoins. If we see these kinds of ETFs in America, we'll also see altcoins getting a bit more lively. Guys, my second expectation for 2025, I expect the frenzy of Nilcoin to continue. Crypto is really an interesting place. Recently, some projects have come along that seriously excite me. Not every coin produces something, but some coins are seriously creating value or finding solutions to problems in the world. Recently, there were two coins like this, guys. One of them is Bio, and the other is Vana. One of them is Data, which combines artificial intelligence with data usage to offer an important solution. The other was a revolutionary coin for the pharmaceutical industry, but it could not be priced. But for example, another project that emerged recently, Pengu, an NFT, a meme coin project, has reached an enormous market cap. That's why I think this meme coin craze will continue in 2025 as well, guys. Yes, sometimes a silly image can seem more valuable than an amazing technology. It's making money. Why are we here? Why are you following this channel? Are you choosing technology? Are you following it for the technology? Are you following it for the technology of blockchain? No. I wonder if I can make some extra money. You're watching this video to see if you can make money somehow from here. So the ultimate goal, the biggest goal, is to make money. I know this. You know this too. If you don't know, then learn. Because sometimes a person may not be aware of themselves. You're here because you want to make money. Sometimes meme coins can make more money than products with better technology. I wish I could reverse this. I wish technology made more money. Sometimes I also think that meme coins are really silly. But the frenzy continues like this, friends. Let's take a look at another expectation for the year 2025. Regulations. Friends, serious regulations are coming both in the world and in Turkey. Regulation can be good at times, but if we use it in the wrong dosage, in some places we can also see its harms. For example, Dubai, the United Arab Emirates, is receiving an enormous amount of investment because it has adopted a crypto-friendly regulation supporting crypto. All our conferences are held in Dubai, friends. I have to go to Dubai every now and then. Just to attend those conferences, the hotel, the flights, even the food and drinks we have there are giving life to the economy. Besides that, serious projects are investing there. So, friends, yes, I think it's important to adopt crypto-friendly regulations. A regulation is also coming in America in a more serious way. Don't always think of regulation as restrictions, establishing a legal framework for this. But for example, there is also a serious regulation coming for stablecoins in Europe, and I predict that we might not be able to use Tether soon. Because we are also a part of Europe, friends, MiCA is going to ban this, meaning they are determined. Because we are also a part of Europe, friends, MiCA is going to ban this, meaning they are determined. These regulations sometimes reflect the competition between countries. The years when the modern printing press was discovered in the 1400s, and there were countries in the world that opposed this modern printing press, and they developed less. And those who used the modern printing press, the first primitive printing press, was invented in the 19th century. These have led to a revolutionary rise for countries that have discovered and embraced them immensely. Now, blockchain is seriously, look what we just said, we're here for the money. But I said, blockchain is a serious revolution in data and finance, friends. I'm serious, I mean, we can't talk about everything here, but friends, blockchain is a really great thing for the public. That's why this is a revolution. Blockchain is a revolution for humanity. I think that countries that embrace this can take these lipsticks and rise and become better economically. The fourth topic, friends, is that artificial intelligence is really shaping the world. I don't have any specific expectations regarding crypto. Artificial intelligence is really going to change the world. We are still not aware right now. We go to work, we come to work. But I keep saying that job positions are decreasing because they are handing over many jobs to artificial intelligence. This will continue and it will continue to grow. While artificial intelligence is already making a mark, in 2025, AI coins and specifically AI agent coins are very important, guys. So AI agent coins are significant. Now, to back this important concept, even coins that I previously knew had nothing to do with artificial intelligence are starting to say, we are AI agent coins. So AI agent coins are important. Now, to back this important concept, even coins that I previously knew had nothing to do with artificial intelligence, starting to say, we are AI agent coins. So, of course, don't think that every bearded person is what you say, but I believe that real AI agent coins will be valuable from the very beginning, 2025. This field is where I spend most of my time. This area is the most valuable to me. So, whenever I get the chance, I will continue to share this with you, especially through Twitter. Our last topic, guys. Stable coins. As I just mentioned, the latest trend of 2025 is stable coins. I just mentioned it earlier. Mika is coming from the European side. And think of stablecoin projects like this, guys. In the past, governments used to print money. He was saying that trading with gold is difficult. Let me print money, backed by gold. Let me print money, but then the government said, why should we stay tied to gold? Let's print as much money as we want. I'm not saying this for our country. This is something happening all over the world. It started from America. I'm not saying this about America either. He said that governments are not tied to gold. He said, we will print as much money as we want. This is an easy thing for the government because when it runs a deficit economically, it can solve it by printing money. But this wasn't good for the people. So the power to print money and the seigniorage of money is an enormous value. Production power. So you can think of it as creating something out of nothing. Of course, that's not the case, but it's actually money that doesn't exist. We print ink on paper and call it money, and we can buy something with it. This is a very serious power. This is now shifting towards stablecoins. So the world is already digital. Let's say you earn 25,000 TL in a month. In 1 month, how much of this money did you see physically and how much did you pay with a credit card or through online banking? Or did you do most of your shopping online? Money is already digital right now. Since money is already digital, the use of real digital currencies will increasingly shift towards stablecoins. I think one of the most important topics of 2025, friends, will be stablecoins. Stablecoins are management tokens. You have tokens that govern the management. So you become the manager of the central bank. And then there are stable coins. You can think of this like standard dollars or euros. And there are stable coins that seriously provide income. I find stable coins important. And another important project that's on my radar is, I hope it has been a nice video. I hope I've been able to contribute something with this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, friends, don't forget to subscribe. You can also leave any questions you have in the comments. See you in the next video. Goodbye.